name is Lisa Wool. I'm the Executive Director at the Nanticoke Watershed Alliance. The Nanticoke River is an amazing natural waterway. It's one of the last wild rivers, in this area. We actually do a variety of different things to kind of help protect it, because currently it's one of the cleanest waterways entering the Chesapeake Bay. So we found that it's, much more economical to keep it clean than to clean it up later. We have a bunch of different programs we do. We have a Creek Watchers program. Highly trained volunteers that go out and they measure different qualities of the river every other week, looking at the health of the river, how much oxygen is in there for fish, if there's any pollutants, what their levels are. And so we basically use that as the basis for developing our programs. We look at what areas need what type of work. Are there needs for on-the-ground projects, or are there needs for educational programs? And we try to focus our programs based on what we see with the data. I think that, to be environmental can be really fun, and you need to make it interesting and entertaining. And so while we do some workshops and things as well, we also go to different public events and have information. And we really want to get people out and enjoying the Nanticoke. It's really a beautiful waterway. So we'd like to encourage people to go out and see it and use it, and also learn a little bit more about just one thing that they could change or update the way they handle to kind of help improve the waterway.